Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So from the title, I am reviewing a $20 Amazon Polygel kit. And let's start off with what comes in the kit. And we'll chit chat a little bit later in the video. So first you get the instructions. You also receive some dual forms, and these are on the smaller side. You get a clip that's going to help you keep the dual forms on when you're using those. You also get a gel brush. Inside the kit, you also get a small 100-180 grit file. You get a top and a base coat. So there's it's like a tube and a brush, so it's not your normal top coat. And then those are 10 milliliters, and then you get a 50 milliliter slip solution. And you also get 6 15-gram polygels. And unfortunately, there weren't any names or numbers on these, so I don't really have anything to reference when I'm talking about them. These are the colors that come in the kit. You get one clear, two pink, a rosy nude, a brown nude, and kind of like an apricot or peachy nude. So I've already applied my tips. I use the Universal Nail Tips by Not Polish, and I'm using my Red Iguana hand. So I'm going in with the base coat, and I cured that for 60 seconds. Now I'm just going in with the polygel. So normally with polygel, for me, I like to use base coat as my slip solution, but because I am reviewing this kit and I want to be fair, I'm going to go ahead and use the slip solution. And you'll see that I did try the second nail with the base coat, but ended up finishing off that nail with the slip solution. So for this polygel, it is a little bit on the softer side. It is not sticky at all, meaning it takes a lot for it to stick to your brush. So you don't have to use a lot of slip solution when you're doing your application. So your slip solution really will probably last you through the duration of the polygels, which is a good thing. So I preferred for this type of polygel, a little bit softer polygel, to use the slip solution that came in the kit. So I did do the first layer of polygel, and then I flash cured that. So now I'm going in with another bead of polygel, and I'm going to go ahead and build my apex on the nail. One thing about polygel that I do like is I like that you do have a lot of time to work and really play with the shape of the nail. Even though this was a softer polygel, it didn't really run all over the place. And that could be because it is in the winter months, so the temperature in my house is a little bit cooler. So that's another thing to keep in mind, the temperature of your workroom when you're working. So I actually purchased this kit back in September of last year, and it has just been sitting here waiting to be reviewed. So I did go back to Amazon and check, and it's still available. I paid $21.99 for it, and that's what it is listed for currently as well, $21.99. And I will link that down below if you are interested in this polygel kit. One thing that I did want to say is I know in a few of my videos I've said that I wish I would have used better quality products when starting out. Better quality products does not always mean more expensive. And I'm saying that to say that this is a kit that I got for $20. It comes with the bulk of what you need to complete a full polygel set. Yes, the tubes are small, but if you're not doing extended long nails like I am, you should be able to get a few sets out of each tube, or maybe one set, just depending on how long you do the nails. But basically what I'm saying is this is something that is inexpensive, but good quality. I wouldn't say this is the best polygel kit that I've ever used, but one thing that I found with polygel is the quality of polygel and the price. I found good quality. I'm trying to say that there's good quality polygel at inexpensive pricing. So if you're doing your own nails and polygel is really something that you're into, I definitely would not rush to buy the more expensive items. When I first started, I started with Gelshion Polygel, and that's prior to me really starting YouTube, because I don't think I've ever recorded with Gelshion. But after I started trying new polygels, I literally have never bought another Gelshion polygel tube again. It just wasn't necessary to pay that much for polygel. Now, if you are a nail tech and you're working in a salon, maybe that's something that you want to do, buy the more expensive stuff, more the name brand stuff, because you're servicing clients. You know, I'm not really sure. I'm not in salon. That's probably somewhere I'll never be. So, you know, that's just me speculating. But as far as the DIYers, I see no problem with these inexpensive polygels. I, however, do not feel the same about acrylic and monomer, which is an upcoming video, which you'll probably see in the next couple weeks. So, I had no problem filing. I had no problem shaping. I'm just going in with some nail art. And yeah, you guys have seen me do these rolls quite a few times, but I'm actually getting the hang of it. I'm using the gel liners from MAKARTT. Those will be linked down below, but you can also just use gel polish and a nail brush if you want the lines, but you don't want to purchase gel liners. So everything that I use will be linked down below. But overall, one of the things that I really appreciate about going to school is it really does allow me time to practice, which is what I was not doing before. And I can see my growth within, what's it been now? It's been about 3 or 4 weeks that I've been in school, and just doing nails almost every day, I really can see the improvement. So I am grateful that I do get the chance to practice. I hate that I have to pay for it to practice, but the point is, if you really want to get better, you really have to take out that time to practice. I'm not saying you have to go to school. What I'm saying is you have to take that time to practice. So with my nail art, I see the improvement. With my laying my product, I see the improvement. Now, don't get me wrong. Sometimes I'm still sloppy or messy or all over the place, but overall, I am enjoying my progress because I've been practicing. So, I don't really have too much more to say about this kit. I did like it. I did appreciate the price point and all that you get for the price point. So definitely check that out. And right now I'm just going in with some rhinestones. Nothing too fancy, just, you know, real simple, straight down the middle of the nails. And I am going to go in with the top coat. I would have preferred a little bit thicker of a top coat, and that's only because I did the nail art. And usually when I'm doing the nail art, the lines, I like to go in with the thicker top coat, so it kind of like gives me a smooth surface. But I did like this top coat. It was pretty shiny. I had no problem curing any of the products or anything like that. So definitely, guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below if you want me to review more of these kits, because I do have quite a few sitting around that need to be reviewed. At the end of August, early September, I did buy quite a few kits to review. So let me know if you like these type of videos, or if you have any suggestions of anything you would like to see me review. I can't guarantee that I will, but I am open to suggestions. So let me know what you guys think about the nail design in the comments down below. Also, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys all again soon.